Hello. So we're about to do homework 2, question 8, and the problem goes as the following. Y is equal to x over the square root of x squared plus 5 over the quantity x plus 9 to 7 over 3 power. And our goal here is to find dy over dx using just derivatives. Now the first step in finding the derivative will be taking the natural log of both sides. It will help us take the derivative. It will be a lot easier because it will get rid of this fraction. So if we say natural log of y is equal to natural log of this x plus 9 to 7/3. And now using log properties, we say natural log of y is equal to natural log, my L's are looking nice, natural log of x times quantity square root of x squared plus 5 minus natural log of x plus 9 to 7/3. And now from this step, we can now take the derivatives to both sides in respect to x, so d over dx, and d over dx, d over dx. And once you take the derivative of this is using the chain rule, and since y is a function of x, you will get 1 over y times dy over dx, which is what we're looking for, and it's equal to the derivative of this. Now for this part here, we're going to be using the chain rule as well. So natural log of this quantity, the derivative of the natural log of this quantity is just 1 over x times the square root of x squared plus 5 times the derivative of the inside. And for that, we'll be using the product rule, which goes as the following: d over dx uv is equal to u prime v plus v prime u. And for u, we'll say is equal to x u prime with 1. V is equal to x squared plus 5 to 1/2. And v prime is equal to 1/2 x squared plus 5 to negative 1/2 times 2x. We had to use the chain rule while taking the derivative here as well. So you get this function times the quantity 2x squared over 2 times quantity x squared plus 5 to 1/2 power plus x squared plus 5 to 1/2. That's all one function, and we're going to subtract that by the derivative natural log of this, and that will go as, again, we'll use the chain rule in here, and it will be 1 over x plus 9 is 7/3 times 7/3, that's x plus 9 to the 4/3 power. That seems really long, doesn't it? We're going to keep on going. Our next steps here is really to simplify each function. So we go as 1 over y dy over dx is equal to it will be equal to x squared over x squared plus 5 plus x squared plus 5 to 1/2 over x times x squared plus 5 to 1/2. What we did here is simplify this part by crossing out the 2's both sides and then multiplying it with this. And you get this answer. And minus minus 7/3 times x plus 9 to 4/3 over x plus 9 to 7/3. And once you simplify a bit more, you get 1 over y times dy over dx is equal to x over x squared plus 5 plus 1 over x minus 7/3 x plus 9. And the way we got to this step here is we were able to eliminate these two from the fraction here to get 1 over x. We were able to eliminate x on top and bottom to get x over x squared plus 5. And here, using this basic division rules that we're able to, or exponential rules, we're able to subtract 4/3 minus 7/3, which gives you 3/3, negative 3/3. So that's why x plus 9 is still in the derivative. Now we're not done yet. Technically, dy over dx is equal to y times x over x squared plus 5 plus 1 over x minus 7/3 x plus 9. However, we cannot leave y in the function, so we'll substitute y here, put y over here, and you'll get your final answer. Dy over dx is equal to x times quantity, or square root of x squared plus 5 over x plus 9 to 7/3 times quantity x over x squared plus 5 plus 1 over x minus 7/3 x plus 9. And that's our answer. Homework 2, question 8.